Okay, happy holidays. My next favorite thing is, I promise it's going to be a little bit lighter than what we talked about last time. Illness and healthy and not fun stuff like that. This is something that's really fun. It's one of my favorite products that Arbonne makes, and that is a perfume. Now wait till you see it. I've never seen a perfume like this. Here she is. She's the Dazzler, and let's see what happens when we open the box. When we open it, the box actually opens like a petal. And on the inside of the box is what the Dazzler's room would look like if it were decorated. And the Dazzler herself is the perfume topper. She sits right on top of that perfume. And there it is. So the Dazzler, there are 3 primary fragrances. The Dazzler smells very much like a classic perfume, like an Estee Lauder. And then there's the Dreamer. And the Dreamer is very powdery. That's the best I can describe her. And she's cute as a button as well. And you know, her room looks just like she would look if she had a room. And then the Dynamo is a very fruity fragrance. I think that's how I would describe her. As well, in addition to the full-size perfumes, for the holidays, Arbonne's actually released a mini rollerball set. So you can actually have all 3 in the form of a rollerball. That has nothing really to do with being healthy, except that we do use healthy ingredients in the perfumes. It's just one of my favorite things.